Good morning, volcanologists. It's Mrs. S here from Algonquin Lakes in Eastview, and I'm going to walk you through how to make your lava and how to test the two different kinds of lava, also known as magma when it's inside the volcano, to try to figure out which type of volcano is going to erupt more violently. We know we have a cone-shaped volcano. It's shaped like a cone, right? Narrow at the tops, come down. And then we have a shield volcano that spreads out really far. It's not as high, but it's much wider. And so we need to figure out which type of lava, thick or thin, explodes out of the cone, and then which one comes out of the shield volcano. All right, let's get started. So if you guys would have asked me 3 months ago if I'd be teaching from my dining room table, I would never have expected this. And I might have brought some of my cool tools home if I had known. So I am having to substitute some things. For example, I don't get a newspaper, so I put a tablecloth down. I also don't use disposable straws. If anybody has followed the plastic problem, which there is some second graders and third graders have been learning about it, plastic straws are super bad for our planet. So I only have one reusable straw, and so I'm going to reuse that. I do have some plastic cups I found in my party bin for hosting birthday parties. I have a reusable plate. I'm just going to try to use two sides of it. And then I grab my measuring cups. I have a cup and a liquid one and a solid one. And then I grab some flour. So the next slide has all the materials listed. You do need flour and water. All right, let's start making our lava. I went ahead and labeled my cups thin and thick just to help me. And I put them on Post-its, but you can write directly on your plastic cups if they're disposable, that you're gonna recycle them at the end, or you can just put a little note on a piece of paper under them, whatever helps you. So for the thin guys, super easy. I'm literally gonna just pour water halfway up the cup. Now, adding some red food coloring is like a bonus. Just makes it look more like the magma inside the volcano. Remember, when it explodes, it's called lava. And so adding a few drops of red food coloring kind of makes it more fun. All right, so for the thick lava, I'm going to measure out a half a cup of flour. And a half cup of water. Oop, and I don't have enough. I'm gonna steal some of this one. Okay, fill that back up. Perfect. And I'm gonna use my straw to stir. I'll just rinse it before I test. All right, so as you're mixing, your goal is to get the thick lava to be the consistency of pancake batter. So it's still a liquid, it still should run off your spoon, but it definitely needs to be pretty thick. So this flour is still stuck to the bottom. Get that off there, it's the clay. And right now, mine is still way too thin. You want it to be pretty thick. I'm gonna add just a little bit more flour. Looking a little better. All right, so now you can see it is pretty goopy, much thicker than the water by itself. All right, get all those clumps out of there, and I'm ready to go. So I have my thin and my thick lava. Okay, thin is just water, thick is flour mixed with water to the consistency of the pancake batter. All right, let's start testing. right, volcanologists, I'm back to teach you about your 3 different tests. So the first test just has to do with the bubbles. So inside their score, there's gases trying to escape. Kind of like when you open up a 2-liter bottle of soda, you'll see the little bubbles fizz up, and then right when you open, they fizz up and they escape out the top. So inside magma, inside the volcano, there's also gases trying to escape. So we are going to represent those same gases by just blowing air through the different lava types. So you'll insert your straw all the way to the bottom of the thin lava, and I just want you to gently blow bubbles. Now, to make sure that we are controlling our variables, try to blow at the same amount of pressure in both, so you're not just going to go crazy. And I want you to notice the speed and the quantity of the bubbles. So, do they come up through the lava quickly or slowly? And does it come up as one single bubble or lots of them? Okay? And so you'll blow through those. And then at the very end of that, you're going to try to blow one single bubble. Put that away, please, hon. Thank you. Put that away. One single bubble. Then you'll take your straw and put it into the bottom.
Yeah.
Can you say good morning, hon?
Good morning.
No, just say good morning.
Good morning.
There you go. This is Hudson. Take your straw and put it in the bottom of the thick lava and do the same. First, just notice the pattern. Does the gas escape quickly or slowly? And then how many bubbles are produced?
It spills faster.
Well, we'll see. And then try to blow one single bubble. That's test 1, the gas test.
I want to do it too.
Test 2, you'll take a plate and you're going to scoop up some thin lava and see what shape forms on your plate. Does it look more like a shield volcano or a cone volcano? Then take the thick and do the same.
Can I talk on this volcano project?